If you are looking for a good lightweight travel trailer that has communal seating where everybody can see each other and talk to each other easily in the living room and has lots of seating as well, this is a great option. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and if you are a returning viewer, we are still here in Elkhart, Indiana, and we are here now at the Forest River display taking a look at this Flagstaff super light. And this here is going to have what I've heard described as, and really like the name, communal seating. So it has seating space all around that just allows everybody to be able to see each other, converse with each other very easily. It's something I really like. And I'm just noticing even more and more about the Flagstaff travel trailers because I just filmed this micro light over here and didn't even realize it has frameless windows, which I totally forgot to point out. I mean, a travel trailer with frameless windows, just crazy. And that is just one of the dozens of things that Flagstaff does differently that is just so wildly impressive. You can see slide toppers here already installed on the slide outs. It has an independent suspension system down underneath here, which is just absolutely crazy to have that standard on a travel trailer. See that it's an independent suspension underneath there. You have electric stabilizers on here, and you have this massive awning out here. I mean, covers such a large length of this travel trailer. Very, very impressive. LED light strip underneath the awning. And then as you come up here, you can see the floor plan layout and the specs. So you're unloaded at 8,284 pounds. This is 35 feet, 5 inches. And let's see the tank levels there. And then that's pretty much oh, there's the hitch weight. 930 pounds on the hitch weight. So I actually would recommend a 3/4 ton truck for something like this, even though it is a super light. Maybe if you have a super well-equipped half-ton truck with a high cargo carrying capacity or payload capacity, you know, something that's over at least 1,500 pounds, then you might be able to manage something like this. But for just safety purposes, I would recommend a 3/4 ton because it'll definitely be the most comfortable experience. Up front, you're going to have a molded fiberglass cap with a windshield there, and it just sits flush in that space, so it looks really nice. LED light there, and then a little rock guard space here. Two 30-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack spot for a huge battery here, or probably 2 individual batteries as well. And as you come this way, you're going to have power stabilizers, and you have a fully enclosed underbelly and 12-volt heat pads on your water tanks. So getting 12-volt heat pads there as well. Spot to put a TV outside here, and I'm guessing it probably comes with some sort of griddle that's going to go on this space here. That's usually the only reason they would put that there, is if it comes with something like that. Even things like this, y'all, come on, this has a strut assisted entry step. So this is virtually weightless, and it's actually going to go up on its own completely. So that's something I have literally only seen in other brands when you get up to expensive fifth wheels. So I love that. So we come to the back again, slide toppers already installed to protect your slide outs. If you're wondering the advantage of that slide topper, that's going to not only protect the top of your slide out from just the sun, but also debris. It's also great to prevent moisture buildup on top of that slide if it rains. So that's another great benefit to it, where your slides are always going to be the most vulnerable point for water penetration, or one of the most vulnerable points for water penetration. So that there significantly will help reduce water buildup on the slide as well. Spare tire off the back, an accessory hitch off the back here as well. And that's going to be rated for 300 pounds. You have spot to store things in your bumper back here. So things like your sewer hose, ladder to get up onto the roof, and then it's real tight here, so I can't really get through to the other side, but you'll have your water connections and things like that over there as well. Now as we come back around this way, we're going to hop inside, and this floor plan here is just killer. Very curious your thoughts. So this is a 29 RLS, and as we go inside here, let me know what you think about this floor plan layout, and if you could see yourself camping in something like this. If you want to take a second too to just look at all the features that it has, because there's a lot, go ahead and pause the video here and you can read that, because it seriously is such a well-equipped travel trailer. It's very impressive. Real quick, before we step inside of this RV, there's something that I'm really excited to talk to y'all about, and I actually want to ask you for a favor. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I pretty much never ask y'all of anything, but I'm going to right now because I started my second YouTube channel, which is called Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is the name of my company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. And I'm really excited about what's to come on this YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description of this video and in the comments as well, where you can subscribe to Firmly Unbound. And I pretty much spent the whole last month traveling dang near coast to coast across the United States to show you what it means to live firmly unbound. So some exciting video content is coming. Can't wait to see y'all there. And as we walk inside, as I was saying, this has this communal seating kind of setup in here. Right away, as I noticed this too, there's other brands that make this floor plan, but this hallway right here feels very wide. You have these bar stools here that are actually facing this area, so a good spot to sit and also watch the TV from here. And then you're going to have sofas that make into beds. So both the sofa here and sofa here will also be trifold sofas and can make into a bed. You have a 50-inch screen TV in here, storage above both of your sofas in the slides, and storage all around this TV. So, I mean, just what a great living room space in here in a lightweight travel trailer. And granted, they're not the only brand that makes this floor plan, but they're got to be the most feature-rich travel trailer brand that makes this floor plan, because the amount of features I've already listed off. Like, look at that. You even have a subwoofer in here. That's crazy. So you have a subwoofer in here as a part of the sound system with the sound bar. They're also giving you USB and USB Type-C connections. I mean, this is all my charging equipment right here, and literally wouldn't need this bulky block in a trailer like this because I could plug stuff in right there. So love that. Storage up above here. Ceiling height is about 7 feet or so. And something that just came to mind that you should know, this is a Flagstaff product that we're in. But Flagstaff and Rockwood from Forest River both make the same floor plans. Forest River, since they're just such a big company, they have the Flagstaff and the Rockwood line that are both essentially the same with slight color differences, but they make the exact same floor plan layouts. So you may also see this in a Rockwood. Above this space too, I mean, they just really pack in the features. Look at this. You have a reading light over each person in the sofa. I haven't seen that in anything else, and they have that on this side too. I haven't seen that in fifth wheels with this floor plan. I haven't seen this in any other travel trailers with this floor plan. Like, very impressive. Storage space back behind there. It's a glass cabinet door. And then your 2 recliners across from here. These are in the Millersburg collection from Lippert. And definitely a comfortable space directly across from your TV. Have your fireplace there, so that'll be a nice electric heat source for you. And then they have the new refrigerator in here that I just absolutely love. Also, see the pull-down blackout shades on your windows. This refrigerator opens from both sides. So if you're one of the people that shows up to an RV lot or an RV dealership to look at RVs and you're trying to figure out which side the refrigerator opens from, you will no longer have to worry about that with this style refrigerator, because whatever side you walk up to, you can open it from either side. So very impressive there. Going back into your kitchen space, you have a Magic Chef stove and oven. So you open this up here, you got that oven there, got space here, 3-burner stove, glass cooktop, and this is like a faux tile backsplash, so just kind of a stuck-on thing there. Outlet underneath the cabinet, vent fan underneath here, and storage space here next to the oven and underneath the oven. Also, your flooring in the slide out is going to be like this woven PVC material, so very flexible. And look at that, they even do a little layer of like a foil insulation here on the slide out. Not a wrap slide out, but they are doing that foil layer of insulation underneath there. So a little extra step that we don't see from most. Back through here, solid surface countertops. It's going to be your kitchen sink, and it has a stainless steel single basin sink, black faucet, and countertop space back through here. It's a little limited on the countertop space, but keep in mind you have this whole area as well, so this can definitely add to your countertop space in that area. And then up in here, this is where you have your microwave. So it says fits a full-size 11-inch dinner plate. Good to know, because it's not a huge microwave. It's not residential size, but not bad either. Storage space through there. 4 pull-out drawers in this space. And a flip-up countertop extension here as well. And storage underneath your kitchen sink. So that is just about everything in this living space. Give you one more look in this area. Again, you have the bar stools here as well, and no storage underneath those that I'm seeing. So that's the living space. And then as you go back into the bedroom and bathroom, oh, the bedroom's gonna look incredible. Pass-through bathroom. So you have a corner porcelain foot flush toilet, Also, looks like it probably, yeah, has soft close toilet seats on that as well. Pretty good amount of countertop space around this plastic sink. Nice big sink, medicine cabinet storage, and then storage underneath this area as well. Oh, very minimal. And then mostly just, it's blocked off there. So really more decorative than anything else. Outlet there and storage space all through here. I mean, just absolutely huge amount of space there. Seen some fifth wheels that don't even have that much storage in that space. Then you're going to have a corner shower here. So definitely not my preferred choice, but I mean, can certainly make it work. And then they do this water miser system here. So what this is, if you think about it, when you're running water out of the shower, it's draining through here and it's filling your gray tank. So your gray tank space is limited. So every drop of water you can conserve is important. Now, most people, what they do when they turn on the shower, they turn it on and they wait for the water to get warm, which means every drop of water that they're waiting for is just filling that gray tank. So this system actually will recirculate the water until it gets warm. And then once it gets warm, this will change colors, which is going to then indicate that you can switch this down and it'll start sending water through that line. So you don't waste a drop of water. That is something that I just think is so cool that they do on all their products with Flagstaff and Rockwood, and is just really awesome. So you have that space in here, and when I step up in here, shower height is great. It's about 6'2", almost 6'3" to right here, and then you have height in the skylight to be about 6'5", maybe even potentially 6'6", and it's just a great size. Then as we come back into the bedroom, you have a dual entrance into the bedroom. So we're actually going to go in through this door right here. And this is a east to west facing queen bed. So I like how this is in the slide out. This is really going to open up your storage space here and give you a lot more than a lot of other brands. You have that spot for a TV on the wall. Come down underneath here and you have shelving back through here. Nice big wardrobe storage. Okay, has a clothing rod. Took me a second to see it. But can hang clothes up in here. That's a huge space. And it's kind of like a almost frosted glass cabinet door. Pull out drawers there that are nice and large. And storage space underneath here. Outlets and USB ports back through here. This is going to be a wrapped countertop, so not a solid surface countertop. And you get your windshield here in the bedroom that doesn't even like reduce storage too much because you still get a huge closet here. So just incredible. Ceiling height in here is great as well. You can see even just things like going up into the corner of your ceiling, like, just looks really clean and well finished. Second AC in here. Ceiling height in here is about 7 feet tall, so it's great. And then underneath the bed, you're going to have additional storage underneath here. Let's see if I can, gotta set my glasses down, get underneath here. Yeah, pull out drawers first of all. So, oh my gosh, that's huge too. You can see this whole backpack fits in there. And down underneath here, same thing, big storage space. And okay, there it is. There's a handle to lift this up. Look at this. So with this brand, you're getting all aluminum framing down underneath here, no wood framing. Literally almost everything else I've ever seen just has wood framing down underneath the bed. So just everything about it feels like better quality. You can see all the storage space back through there. There's also going to be a storage access door from outside to that space. And this is something that I just can't see from any vantage point, but it's very possible they might be doing the wood backing in their aluminum framing as well. I just can't see it and can't determine that for sure, but that would be like where this is aluminum tubing and they actually do a piece of wood all the way through that gives it more strength as well. Queen size bed in the bedroom. Pull down blackout shades on all your windows, reading lights for each individual. I mean, this literally feels like a fifth wheel in every way, but it's just a travel trailer. And so it's just so wildly impressive. I'm super impressed with this Flagstaff brand. And again, this is also Rockwood. So you can see you have Flagstaff Superlight and you have the Rockwood Ultralight. Both have different model numbers, but they're both the same thing. So really, really impressive. Very curious your thoughts. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you could see yourself camping or even potentially living in something like this. I think the only thing it doesn't have for maybe living in would be washer dryer connection. But curious what you think. So let me know down below in the comments. And that's all I got for y'all. Until next time, live firmly unbound.